Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. So first of all, open your document in Google Spreadsheet, that is docs.google.com/spreadsheets. So I have opened a document which contains some sample data in it. So for the example I will show you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, now as you can see, this text is coming, it is going into the F column and G column. Okay, so we want this text to be inside the E column only, okay, in this cell only. So for that, what you need to do is simply select this one. Okay, then you need to go to this option which says text wrapping. Okay, then you need to click on the middle option, okay, that is wrap. Simply click here. Now you can see that the whole text is coming inside the cell in the E column only. Okay, so this is one example. Suppose I am right here inside this table, okay, and I write something here. You may already be having something, okay, inside the cells, and it is not appearing. Okay, so what you need to do is, suppose you have so much much of data, then you need to select the whole area just like this. Okay, then again you need to go to this option text wrapping. Okay, you can also go to the format here, then you'll also get option from here, that is wrapping here, overflow wrap. Okay, so I'm going to click on wrap here, and you can see, don't forget to subscribe my channel is appearing inside that cell only. So if you have too much of data, then also it will work and it will wrap your text inside a single cell. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.